I mean, talk about a carbon tax, right? I mean, people don't realize that they're already being taxed on carbon in stealthy ways. In Miami Beach, when this bond issue passed for $500 million of expenditures to install pumps to pump salt water out of some of the roadways and to elevate the streets and roads in many parts of Miami Beach.
This project itself is $400 million for the raising of the streets and the pumping, and as the water goes higher and higher, it becomes more and more expensive, more and more difficult. All this construction debris, all this construction that you see here, all these pipes and excavators and things are all working on this $400 million pump system that they're putting into Miami Beach and the areas that flood the most, with the idea that when the water comes in, they will essentially pump it back out, just as you would pump it out of a bathtub or something. And they've also done a big project in this neighborhood of raising the streets 2 or 3 feet, raising the sidewalks around the restaurants and all of the shops and retail area here. We can go look at that, have a look at that, walk around and look at that. This is really where they're sinking all of their money in, and this is where, they're trying to prove that Miami Beach has a future, which is, debatable.
How was that funded? It's funded through additional fees in the water and sewer bill for everyone in the city of Miami Beach. So those bills increased, and that helps back up that bond issue that has helped pay for some of these changes. These are Band-Aids. Down the road, you can only pump so fast. The streets can only be so high. And down the road, this will buy you a few years, maybe a decade or two, but it certainly is not going to be efficient against the waters that will continue to accelerate as sea level rise accelerates here in South Florida.